Welcome back to my channel and hope everyone is fine. BTS Jungkook recently sent the internet into a frenzy when he finally created his own Spotify account. Jungkook's solo tracks have been listed under BTS, but he now has an individual account. As expected, it got fans very excited about what to expect from the singer, especially with the words, "Wait just a bit longer, please wait a bit." Many fans, it seems like a teaser that there might be upcoming music in the future. Spotify is not just a place for musicians to release music, but anyone can browse the catalog and create their own playlist to listen to. Or if something catches their music taste, users can like or save others' playlist. On January 7 KST, Jungkook's activity on the platform and his choice of artist playlist have gained attention from fans. The first playlist shared was translated as Pit a Pat, which is meant to replicate the rhythm of a heartbeat. That playlist contained many different tracks from global artists including Sivan, John Mayer, and Harry Styles. There is also a track from the BL movie Call Me By Your Name. However, it was the other playlist that caught the attention of fans worldwide and was even trending. The second playlist under Jungkook's playlist was titled Gender and $2 and sign exclamation marks, with the image reading "Gender kills my vibes." Similar to the other playlists, the songs from the various artists with different core messages related to the playlist name. Many include topics such as puberty, gender, and much more. When fans started to share these updates from Jungkook, Spotify social media went crazy. Fans couldn't get enough of the playlist title and loved that Jungkook was once again going against the traditional Korean views and expectations despite being such a huge public figure. Many fans also that it was not actually that shocking. Along with the rest of BTS, Jungkook has also been praised for breaking gender norms with their concepts and outfits. He has been noticed for explaining that fashion has no gender in an interview shared. Great style is wearing anything you like regardless of gender. There is no denying that Jungkook continues to use his status and popularity to promote inclusiveness even in the smallest ways. It isn't surprising that fans can't wait to keep up to date with his Spotify and see if Jungkook has any more recommendations. Thank you so very much for your love and support, ARMYs.